The bus driver, captured on video during a confrontation with municipal police in Spanish Town, is speaking out this evening, defending his action, which he says was in response to being provoked. He also said calls from the municipal police to be armed with guns on the job is a bad idea. TVJ's Kirk Wright has more in this primetime news follow-up.
The bus driver seen here in a confrontation with two members of the municipal police in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on July 2. Feels giving them guns is definitely a bad idea. The call to provide them with guns came from the Compliance and Enforcement Officer of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, William Malava. The bus driver says, based on his experience, the municipal police have not proven themselves responsible enough to bear arms on the job.
If you give them man the gun, no, brother, I'm sorry for every busman and taxi man and igla out here, you know. I tell you, because I kill them off and they can manipulate the system. And this is fact. More you catch this, you know. This is facts. New numbers of drivers them beat out here, you know. And go, because you need to understand, you see the court office and the municipal office merge. And I'm surprised that my name called in the court the other day, you know. Because based on the facts, even the doctor who work with me right now of an incident where a tall one, municipal police beat him, you know.
In a story we carried yesterday, Mr. Malava says the same bus driver and his conductor attacked two members of his team who were simply carrying out their job. The bus driver in return says what was not shown in the video is that the municipal police attacked him shortly after he pulled in the Spanish Town bus park and alighted from his bus about 1 in the afternoon.
At the time when he stepped out of the vehicle, I thought it was a taser. And when him flash it out, and him juke me on my nose with it, and I box it out. By the time I box it out of my face, my brother, barely I get to the button, you know. Barely to the button. So by then, the little boy is so light. I say, I want a little boy, and I want a short one when him just barely under 4 foot. I just hold him and lift him up and put him in right in my door jam. And I start giving him a couple punch. By then, the other one come around me and start beating me around the back with the button. And I let go the one when I have the 4. The one when I let him go, because based on the facts, the next one start beating me across my shoulder with the button and over my head. I let him go. The one when I let go, run go for your machete now, daddy. And the man give me about 80 out of the machete now.
He says the attack stemmed from a confrontation they had about 5 hours before when he was parked in a no parking area and they attempted to clamp his vehicle. The driver says he shouted to the municipal police that clamping the vehicle was illegal, and in the process drove away the bus before they managed to apply the clamp. He says the video, which was recorded by a member of the municipal team, doesn't show the full attack. He says his finger was broken in the process. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.